Hello, and welcome to the News Release Traffic Formula course. This course will teach you how to use news and press releases to boost your search engine rankings, and drive more customers and leads to your business. This course was recently updated, and the video's audio narration has been re-recorded using an AI voice and text-to-speech software as part of an experiment and research into using AI to create digital content. I hope that you're okay with this approach, and that you will focus on the message, not the messenger. Go through this course, glean the valuable information it contains, and use it to benefit and grow your business. Before we get started, let me just tell you a little bit about the course creator. This course was originally created by Martin Aredovich. Martin has been building businesses online since 2001. He has presented seminars and workshops, and authored many training books, e-courses and digital products. Martin also runs a number of websites. The examples that I will be showing you in this course come from clients that have used the methods taught in this training. The aim of this course is not just to teach you how to write an effective news or press release, it's also to show you how to use news and press releases to get better search engine rankings in Google, drive more traffic to your website, social media, or event pages, generate new leads and customers for your business, and a whole lot more. What you will learn in the News Release Traffic Formula course can be used with any press release service. You can even use this information to start your own business, offering news release writing services. No matter what type of business you own or what kind of event you're promoting, this course will show you how to get better results faster and more cost-effectively. The News Release Traffic Formula course takes you step by step through this process. In these video lessons, I'll show you what kind of results you can expect to get and teach you the strategies that will help you get similar results. Module 1, Introduction, provides an overview of why news releases are your secret weapon to getting higher search engine rankings, more traffic, and new leads for your business. In Module 2, Success Formula, we decode the news release traffic formula, and look at key processes that will improve your results. In Module 3, KASH Formula, you will learn the secret to getting multiple search listings with every news release that you send out. Module 4, Content Formula, shows you how to structure your news releases for maximum traffic and results. Module 5, Approval Formula, shows you how to get your news releases approved quickly and distributed to hundreds of news and media sites that will get you indexed and ranked quickly in search engines. Module 6, Ranking Formula, shows you how to keep your listings ranking in search engines faster, higher, and longer. And in Module 7, Publishing Formula, you will learn how to keep driving more traffic to your website and generate new leads for your business, using an effective content publishing strategy. This course contains video tutorials, practical assignments, case studies, links to useful resources, downloadable templates, and additional information. So, what kind of results can you expect to get from the News Release Traffic Formula course? Typically, all news or press releases follow the same process. You write a news release, make sure that it gets approved for submission, and then distribute it to as many sites as you can. What makes the News Release Traffic Formula different is that we add a clever twist during the writing stage. This is the secret KASH formula that you will learn about in training module number 3. This clever little twist ensures that your news and press releases can rank for dozens or even hundreds of keywords. Once you understand how the KASH formula works, you will then start to see results like what I am about to show you. So, here are just some of the results we obtained with a client who owns a pizza restaurant. Google picked up their first news release around 9 hours after submission and indexed over 300 results, many of those ranking in the number 1 position of the Google News section. We then followed this up with a second news release 1 month later. After only 2 news releases, Sergio's Pizzeria started ranking for multiple keywords, as you can see here. The restaurant not only ranked well for many search terms, but it also started getting featured in the local maps section. If you own a local business, this is the spot where you want your listing to show, when customers search online for businesses like yours. Here are the results of another client who runs an investment property company. This company got ranked very quickly for multiple keywords on many different results pages, as well as listings on Google Maps and featured listing sections. Here, For example, you can see that this company was listed in positions number 1, 2, 3, and 6, as well as in the local map section. This is just one example of dozens of keywords that this company ranked for with the news release strategy that you will learn in this course. What makes the news release traffic formula strategy so powerful is that it only takes a few press releases to rank for hundreds of keywords. To rank for hundreds of keywords using other methods, you would either have to publish hundreds of articles, or bid on hundreds of keywords using a paid method like Google Ads. With the news release traffic formula course, however, you will get consistent results with the simple strategy that I'm about to show you. First, you will learn how to create effective news releases designed to boost your search rankings. Next, I will show you how to get your news releases approved and submitted to hundreds of news sites and media outlets. After your news release has been sent out, Google will then index it very quickly, normally in 24 to 48 hours or less. Sometimes, you won't even have to wait 24 hours for Google to pick up your news releases. Once you understand the news release traffic formula strategy, all you need to do then is rinse and repeat this strategy every month. This will help you get ranked for multiple keywords with every news release that you send out. Ranking for multiple keywords can drive more traffic to your business. The more keywords you rank for, the more traffic you can get to your website. In the training modules, I'll explain the keyword ranking strategy that we use to get multiple search listings. You will also learn how to grow and multiply your results. I'll show you how to rank for multiple keywords in multiple listings, including Google Maps and featured listing sections. You will also learn how to keep ranking faster, higher, and longer in the search engines to keep driving traffic to your website and generate new leads for your business. As I mentioned earlier, this course is not just about teaching you how to write a press release. It's about showing you how to get better results online using a cost-effective and sustainable marketing strategy. It's also about giving your business a competitive edge. What you will learn in this course will help you outperform your competitors, rank for keywords that your competition isn't even targeting, drive your competitors' rankings lower, create more visibility for your business or brand, build trust and authority with Google faster, and boost your reputation and credibility online. After completing this course, you will have a strategy to help you drive more traffic to your website and generate new leads for your business, increase search engine visibility, and get front-page rankings in Google for low to mid-competition keywords in as little as 24 to 48 hours, improve your listings on Google Maps, boost your brand and authority with Google, and outrank your competition. You will also learn how to use news releases as a reputation management tool to help increase positive coverage about your business online, be able to profit from trending topics to capitalize on time-sensitive events, get a better return on investment for your marketing dollars, and use news releases as part of your content marketing strategy to grow your business faster and more cost-effectively online. This brings us to the end of this course overview. In the next video, I'll show you why news releases are your secret weapon to getting higher search engine rankings and more traffic. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next lesson.